Good morning, my friend. Welcome to my channel of AZIB. How to create with a simple click this gold effect or metal effect in Photoshop using layer style. So you will see it is just one click. So let's start. So when you download the project or the layer style, here you have 10 PSD file, and you have also to install the style. To install the style, just make double click and I will show you where to get this style. You can choose the predefined example or template that exists in this project, or you can create your own text directly and put your desired effect. So if you want to choose, for example, this PSD file, for example, number 3 that I have got here. When you open the file, here you have the effect, it's directly applied, and you have the different type of the effect. Okay, so the importance here, I have to change the text for this template. Just double click here. It is a smart object. Remember when I make the course about Photoshop, I'll explain all this thing in detail. So just double click here, and you got the text here in white, no problem. So to change the text, of course you must install the font if you want to use the same font that exists in this template, and I have put them here. In the post I talked about the font. There is 3 fonts that has been used in this template. Just install them, it is free, no problem. Now to change text, just double click here or here where you want. So here just put, for example, my name, Faycal. Okay. Ctrl+S to save your modification, and be patient because it takes a lot of time. Okay, this file, it is not small. It is with big size. Yeah, it takes a lot of memory. So be patient. And when you finish, come back to the original file. I'm just waiting. As I said, it takes some time because the size is really big. And here is the effect with my text. Okay, I just modified or update some text from this template. So you have 10, and also you can use your own, of course, your own text directly without using this predefined template, because remember what I said, these templates are very big. As you can see, for example, this one, 25.6 megabyte, and all of them are big. Okay, it is not, this one is very big. If I open it, I think my Photoshop will work. So let's create our file directly, new file. And I put my text to show you how to use the style now without this template. Put any style, any here text, for example. So let's create. Oops. Where is the text? Problem. Good. I'd say in white, no problem. Myself, and just change the color to black. And here I will reduce the size, no problem. And now I will put it in the middle. Take. And now I will apply the style. To apply the style, well, you will find this style that you have installed before. Just go to the window and go to the style. Okay? And here you have all the style has been installed in your Photoshop. Here is the new one, gold and metal effect. Click here and you will find the different style. Now, be sure to check, to select this layer, the text layer. It's very important, huh? So, just now click in any style that you want, for example this one, and you got the desired effect. As you can see, it's directly, without making anything else. Okay, as you can see, what you want, and here is desired style. Of course, maybe we change the background of related with the style, okay, to be more consistent. So I let you to make this. It depends of your inspiration, of course. So when you change the style, now it's good. You have, as you can see, the effect has been applied directly for your text, and when you finish, you can export your file to in your JPG or in any other image. It's very simple, as you can see, to use this layer style. I just want to show you how to use a simple thing, not always to create video for medium thing or complex thing. No, it's so simple. You can create an amazing text or amazing image with this style. Now it depends on your inspiration, and of course, you can create it without this style. The effect, you can do it step by step without using this style. Here you must know how to use Photoshop. Okay? It is not the time to show you this. If I show you how to do it, you must understand all the features that exist in Photoshop. What I mean, for example, if you are in the text, you choose the text. Here you have this different branding option, how to use the stroke, what does it mean this one, how to use this part, how to use, etc. This solid gradient color, etc. You must understand how to use them. And not all this thing, because there are a lot of things in Photoshop. How to select some part, how to change the color. Here, when you are able, when you finished this basic concept of Photoshop, now you can create directly your style step by step using this effect, as you can see. So if you double click here, you can find all the effect here. You have the bevel, as you can see, inner glow, the color overlay, and gradient overlay, and the pattern overlay. Okay, so there is some pattern that I am using here, predefined pattern. So all this concept, you must understand them before to create this type of text. A lot of YouTube video with this to achieve this result step by step. Yeah, I want to show you this, but I can't do it without the Photoshop course. I can't. Okay, so to download this project or this template or this layer style, just send an email to Faycal at learpracticeandshare.com and to receive it directly in your mailbox. Take care of us. Tell you goodbye. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.